Looking for easy, comfortable living with room to spread out? Look no further than this charming 3-bedroom home, 3-bath oasis in Zanesville. Set on nearly 5 picturesque acres, step inside to an inviting open floor plan, perfect space for gathering friends and family, complete with a cozy fireplace to keep those upcoming chilly days at bay. The spacious kitchen makes mealtime a breeze, whether whipping up a quick snack or preparing the holiday feast. Retreat to the luxurious primary bath, enjoy a generous walk-in closet, spa-like bathroom with a double vanity, and soothing jet tub, plus elegant French doors that open right up into the private pool. The finished walkout level features its own kitchen with an abundance of storage, creating an ideal spot for entertaining, multi-generational living, or hosting game night. Step outside and savor the summer days in the heated in-ground pool, surrounded by open views and plenty of outdoor space. There's a handy 21 by 18 outbuilding ready for hobbies, equipment, or more. Ready to explore your next dream? Contact Mary Mauger for all the details.